Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you what to do if you can't get into your Renault Laguna Mark III from 2007 through to 2015 because the battery is dead or the central locking isn't working. Okay, so on the passenger side of this right-hand drive Renault Laguna, or the driver's side if you're a left-hand drive car, there's a little teeny cap here at the end of the door handle, and this is what we're going to need to remove to get to the key barrel behind it. So use your Renault key, release the emergency key, and under here there's a little slot that you can put your key into to lift the cap. Keep that somewhere safe. Get your key, put it in the right way around, and unlock your car. So now you can get in and out to jumpstart your car. Well, we really hope you found that video useful. You've learned something new about how to get into your Renault Laguna if the battery is dead. So in my case, it being a right-hand drive car, on the passenger door. So I just got to remember, if the battery's low or I'm worried it's going to be a really cold night and the battery's going to be dead, don't park next to a wall, okay? And then, well, I suppose you can't really do that with the left-hand drive because how do you get out? Well, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.